Alright, you guys, today we're going to start with a really quick warm-up. So we're going to start with our hands up just like this, and we're going to start jogging in place. Just a nice light jog. Try and get your knees as high as you guys can. Alright, we're going to do that for a couple more seconds. Keeping those hands up. Alright, now we're going to get those legs a little bit higher. We're going to go a little bit faster. There you go. Now we're going to go even faster. Alright, go for 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, shake out your legs real quick. Alright, now we're going to do butt kickers. So you're going to take your leg and you're going to put it behind you just like this. Then you're going to switch to the other side. So you're going front, back, just like that. Alright, keeping those hands up. Going back and forth. Alright, see how fast you guys can go with this. Do it for 3 more seconds. 2, 1, and break. Alright, so now I want you guys to imagine that there's a line right across here. And you guys have to jump over the line. So we're going to start with our hands up. Jump over, front. Then we got to jump back to the other side. So you're going front, back. Front, back. Going 1, 2. There you guys go. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and break. Alright, now we're going to make another line right here. And this time we're going to jump sideways over the line. So we're going to start with our hands up, jump over this side, then back over to the other side. So you're going to go front, back, side to side, just like this. Alright, let's go 3, 2, 1, and break. Alright, awesome job, you guys. Now, we're going to be working on a hyper combination. So, with hyper combinations, it's all about speed. So, you guys have to be as fast as possible with this combination, getting faster each time. So, we're going to start with our hands up here. We're going to look to our left side first. We're going to touch our shoulder and do a outward hand sword, just like this, to the side. Alright, try it one more time. Hands up. Start here, touch our shoulder, chop out to the side here. Then we're going to take our back hand, we're going to turn into our forward bow, bending that front knee, and do a reverse punch forward, just like that. Alright, one more time. Ready? Chop, then turn, punch, just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to take the hand that just punched, we're going to touch our shoulder, chop, then turn, punch. Alright, one more time. Ready? Chop, punch, chop, and punch. Alright, now we're going to go a little bit faster. Ready? And go. Chop, punch, make sure we're bending that knee. Chop, punch. Alright, awesome job. Now this time, we're going to go as fast as possible. So you're going to do it non-stop. See how fast you guys can go. Start with our hands up and go. Chop, punch, chop, punch. Getting faster each time you guys do it. Really working on that coordination. Make sure we're doing chop, then punch. Turning back and forth. Make sure we're still bending that knee. Going to a nice little forward bow. And break. Alright, so now we're going to add on to that combination. So we're going to start with the same thing. We're going to chop, punch, chop, punch. But now we're going to add the rich hand that we worked on last week. So we're going to take the hand that did the chop first, and we're going to come all the way around doing a rich hand, just like that. Alright, let's try it one more time. So chop, punch, chop, punch, then rich hand coming around. Then we're going to come back, touch our shoulder. We're going to do another outward hand sword out, then turn back in, punch. So the whole thing looks like this. Chop, punch, rich hand, chop, punch. Alright, so let's try that. So we start chop, punch, then chop, punch, then come all the way around, rich hand, chop, punch. All right, one last time, ready? Chop, punch, chop, punch, rich hand, chop, punch. All right, awesome job. Let's do it one more time as a group, then I want you guys to practice it by yourselves. And go. Chop, punch, chop, punch, rich hand, chop, punch. Awesome job. All right, new kata this last cycle, and it's going to be element 1. So element 1 is fire, which means intensity. So when you guys are practicing this kata, I want you guys to have that intensity. We have nice loud ki-eyes and super strong punches. So we're going to start with the bow. So the bow is a little bit different than short one. So we're going to start by bowing just like that. Then we're going to step out with our left leg. We're going to come up, making an X, then down. Then we're going to come around, bringing our making a fist with our hands, just like this. Then we're going to turn to our left side, just like this. We're going to take our front hand, which is our left hand. We're going to go upward block. Then we're going to do a reverse punch. Then we're going to do a front kick. We're going to set it in front, just like this. Then we're going to take our front hand still. This is going to be our right hand now. And we're going to go downward block, then turn, punch, just like that. All right, one last time. Ready? Come up, make an X, down, around, making a fist. We're going to go upward block, reverse punch, front kick, downward block, punch. So that's what we went over last week. Now we're going to add the next section. So we're going to take the foot that just went forward. We're going to step back behind us, just like this. Then we're going to turn to the other side. So now we're going to do the same thing that we did on this side. We're going to take our front hand, it's going to be our right hand now. We're going to go upward block, punch, front kick, set it in front, downward block, and punch. All right, awesome job. Let's try it from the beginning one more time. Bow, step out, make an X, come down, then around, upward block, reverse punch, front kick, set it in front, downward block, and reverse punch. Now we're going to take our front leg, we're going to step back, upward block, punch, kick, downward block, and punch. All right, now we're going to go a little bit faster, and go. Up, down, around, block, punch, kick, block, punch. Now take this leg, step out, block, punch, kick, block, punch. All right, one last time. This time I want you guys to go as fast as you guys can. And back, up, down, around, then go. Block, punch, kick, block, punch, upward block, reverse punch, front kick, downward block, reverse punch. All right, awesome job, you guys. So now that we have our kata down, we're going to move on to our new kick for today. It's going to be a 3-directional kick. So with a 3-directional kick, you're kicking in 3 different directions. You're going to kick in front of you, to the side, and then behind you. So we're doing 3 different kicks all at once. So we're going to start with our right leg back in a fighting stance, just like this. We're going to take our back leg. We're going to do a front kick facing forward, just like this. Then you guys are just going to set it down for now. All right, let's try it one more time. Front kick, set it down. Then we're going to pick up the same leg. We're going to do a side kick, kicking to the side now. So we chamber, turning our leg sideways, then kick out, just like that, and set it down. All right, let's work on that. So front kick, and then side kick. All right, so now we've kicked in the first 2 directions. Now all we have to do is kick behind us. So now we're going to do a back kick. So with the back kick, I want you guys to make sure that we're always looking behind us so we know what our target is and where we're kicking. So we're going to start by just looking over our shoulder of the leg that we're kicking with. Then we're going to chamber our leg just like with the front kick, and then do a back kick just like that, kicking behind us. So let's try that one more time. So we start with our hands up, front kick, side kick, then we're going to look over our shoulder, back kick, just like that. All right, one last time, and go. Front kick, side kick, and back kick. All right, so now that we got that down, we're going to add a challenge to it. So this time, you guys have to do it without setting your leg down. So we're going to start with our hands up, just like this. We're going to go front kick, side kick, keeping our leg up, and back kick. All right, one more time. Front kick, keep it chambered here. Side kick, and back kick. All right, one last time, and go. Front kick, keep it chambered, side kick, and back kick. Now we're gonna go a little bit faster, so when I say go, we're gonna do the entire thing all at once. And go. Front, side, back, just like that. All right, last one, and go. Front, side, back. All right, awesome job, you guys. So now that we got it down on this side, we have to work on our other side. So we're gonna start with our left leg back in a fighting stance now. We're gonna turn forward, we're gonna do a front kick, set it down just like that. Then we're gonna do a side kick, kicking to the side. Then we're gonna do a back kick behind us, just like that. All right, let's try it one more time. Hands up, front kick, side kick, back kick. All right, now we're gonna add that challenge in there, no setting our leg down. And go. Kick, side kick, and back kick. All right, last one. This time we're gonna go full speed. And go. Front kick, side kick, back kick, just like that. Awesome job, you guys.